Good afternoon everyone. Myself Arun Kumar, currently doing my CAE master program with Femlogic Technologies. Today we attended a workshop on the topic NVH analysis in CAE. In that workshop we learned a lot about what is NVH and what are the types of analysis used in NVH. Also we learned about how we are going to implement NVH analysis in our real day-to-day life, like how we can tackle vibrations occurred in bridges, and they showed some video about how a bridge was collapsed without doing proper NVH analysis. Like that we learned a lot about vibrations, frequency, that kind of things in NVH analysis. Thank you.